Hi, in this video, we'll talk about the three best PDF reader or viewer for Windows 11. So first on the list, we have in here the Adobe Acrobat Reader. So Adobe Acrobat Reader is actually a comprehensive PDF solution widely recognized for its robust editing capabilities. So users can edit text, they can view, store, and share PDFs, they can fill and sign, they can give and get feedback, and you can also work from anywhere since they have some extension and you can use it onto your mobile as well. So there's a lot of things that you can do. They also have AI assistant as well as cloud storage. They have extensive editing tools and features, user-friendly interface, and strong OCR capabilities. However, do take note that Adobe Acrobat Reader is quite expensive and they only offer a 7-day free trial. So next on the list, we have in here the Foxit Reader. So Foxit Reader has a lot of editing capabilities as well. They support drag and drop function for editing text and images, making it intuitive to use. You can read and print your PDF, you can read it everywhere, you can use and collaborate and share as well, and you can also protect and sign your documents. They also have AI integration that can actually use AI features to enhance productivity. They have fast performance and they're actually more affordable than Adobe Acrobat, and they have smooth drag and drop. However, the Essential plan lacks electronic signature capabilities, which may be a drawback for some example. So last and but not least, we have in here our actual Microsoft Edge PDF reader. So this PDF is opened with Microsoft Edge and this is what it looks like. So as you can see, you can insert the text, anything or anywhere the page. You can put anything from there. Here it is right here. You can also use AI because they have Copilot that's already integrated right there. You can also search or translate some options. Like for example, you can search or you can just select each one of them and then just click on that and then you can ask them to translate it. So this is actually a beneficial tool since it can be auto detected and you can read it even if you don't read English or the actual language that we have right here. So for example, we have in here this and here's a translation for that. So this translation is also available on the other two applications, but it's not directly integrated as this one. They also have a read aloud feature. You can rotate it. You can draw on it if you would want as well. And you can also sign, but do take note that signing right here is actually not as safe as secure as the Adobe Acrobat ones as well. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.